So since Friday, I think it was, we have had a winter storm, basically a blizzard in our area. And this is what my house looks like. Whew, yeah. But we did make it back home. We have electricity. Pipes are not burst. So we're going to get back to some Lego content very soon. I'm working on a stop motion video, polybag, but it's a little different. So hopefully you guys like it. It's the following day and I finally got to shave. Ooh, been a long time. Yeah, back to being baby face, but I'm almost done with this stop motion video. I think it's gonna look kind of cool. I hope you guys like it. It's gonna come out January 1st. Quick little stop motion video. So yeah. Other than that, I'm looking forward to some new releases that are gonna be coming out. Forward to the new modular that's coming out. Looking forward to the Quinjet. Probably gonna get Autumn's house for the friend set for Victoria. And I think there's one other thing that I want to get. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the Lego store on the 1st. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who has reached out to us for when we were dealing with this blizzard. We lucked out. We didn't have it as bad as some people. We were over at my parents' house, so that was a good thing. And thank you. Appreciate all of you guys that were wondering about us. So, but we are back at home. Gonna be making more Lego content. Hopefully, making a lot more reviews in the upcoming year. And I still want to do stop motion. I really like it. I know not too many of you guys are watching a lot of them, but yeah, I appreciate those of you who are watching it. So, but yeah, let me know what new releases you guys are looking forward to for the January 1st. But apparently April 1st is going to be the big release. So we'll see what happens there. So, but yeah, we will talk to you guys all in the next one. Thanks. Bye.